Hello and welcome to our video on the perfect combination for RV enthusiasts, RVing and fishing. I'm your host, Jeremy from Everything RVs and more, and I'm so excited to share some of my favorite fishing tips with all of you. Now, if you're an RV enthusiast like me, you know that RVing is all about exploring new places and enjoying the great outdoors. And what better way to do that than by adding fishing to your RV adventures? Trust me, it's a match made in heaven. So, whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, get ready to learn some ultimate fishing tips for RV enthusiasts. Now, before we hit the water, let's talk about the fishing gear you'll need for your RV trip. First and foremost, you'll need a good fishing rod and reel. I recommend a medium to light action spinning rod, as it's versatile and perfect for most types of fishing. Next, make sure to pack a variety of lures and baits, as different fish species may respond to different types. And don't forget to bring a tackle box to keep all your gear organized. Lastly, a fishing net and a pair of pliers are handy tools to have on hand. Trust me, packing the right gear will make all the difference in your fishing success. Now that we have our gear, it's time to find the best fishing spots for RVers. One of the great things about RVing is that you have the freedom to explore different locations and find hidden gems for fishing. You can start by researching online or talking to fellow RVers for recommendations. Another tip is to look for campgrounds or RV parks near lakes, rivers, or oceans. These locations often have designated fishing areas, making it easier for you to access the water. And don't be afraid to get off the beaten path and explore new areas. You never know, you may stumble upon a perfect fishing spot that's not on any map. As RVers, it's essential to respect the environment and the water we're fishing in. So, let's talk about fishing etiquette for RVers. First and foremost, always follow the rules and regulations of the area you're fishing in. This includes obtaining the necessary permits and licenses. Also, be mindful of other RVers and anglers around you. Give them enough space and don't cast your line in areas where others are fishing. And of course, always clean up after yourself and leave the area cleaner than you found it. By practicing good fishing etiquette, we can ensure that these beautiful fishing spots remain pristine for future generations of RVers to enjoy. Lastly, let's talk about catch and release fishing. As RVers, we want to respect the environment and the creatures that inhabit it. So, if you're practicing catch and release fishing, it's essential to do it correctly. First, make sure your fish is fully revived before releasing it back into the water. Hold the fish gently in the water, facing it upstream, and let it swim away on its own. And there you have it. Following these tips now gives you the ultimate RVing and fishing experience. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Please like, share and follow our channel for more. Cheers!